Hello again, guys. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Now, this delicious fried rice recipe is just what you need, especially now that the festive season is here. It is really easy to make, and I promise you everyone will love it. I made this with some frozen vegetables and it tasted amazing. So if you're new here, my name is Evelyn. Please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel with your notification bells on if you haven't done that already, so you don't miss any of my amazing recipes. So guys, I can assure you that this recipe will be a great addition to your Christmas lunch or dinner table or any special occasion you may have. So without saying more, let's get started. As always, the recipe is so easy to make, and I've listed all the ingredients I'm going to be using in the description box so you can check that out. I have here some chopped white onions, spring onions and bell peppers. I also have some frozen mixed veggies and some more sweet corn because I love my sweet corn. I also have some green peas, butter, garlic pepper seasoning, curry powder, red chili flakes, crushed seasoning cubes and some cooked rice. And for my rice, I cooked it with some salt, curry powder, bay leaves and some chunks of green peppers. Now adding some green peppers to your cooked rice gives it an amazing flavor, and when you're done cooking, you're just going to take the green peppers and bay leaves out. I'll start off by adding some oil into my pan and I'll gently melt some butter. Next, I'll add some chopped onions and I'll let this fry for about a minute on medium to low heat. Next, I'll also be adding some curry powder and I'll also let this fry for about a minute. Now in goes some frozen mixed vegetables, some frozen green peas, some green and red bell peppers, some sweet corn. Then I'll gently mix to combine. Right after that, I'll season the vegetables with some crushed seasoning cubes, some garlic pepper seasoning, some red chili flakes, and I'll mix to combine. I'll stir fry this for about a minute or two. You'll notice I didn't add any salt, and that's because I already cooked my rice with some salt and the garlic pepper seasoning already contains salt. So if you won't be using garlic pepper seasoning, please add some more salt to your taste. Shortly after seasoning the vegetables, I'll add the cooked rice which has had time to cool down, and this will make it much easier for you to stir fry. Now we're just going to mix everything together, and you can always add some more rice to get the right ratio that you want. All we have to do now is to stir fry the rice, and that's why it's called fried rice. And I would always advise that you use a wide pan to help distribute the heat evenly while you stir fry. And guys, if you haven't already hit the like button, please do so, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Now, to make this process faster, I would advise that you cook your rice early enough so that it's completely cool before you begin to stir fry. Now last but not least, I'll add the spring onions and continue stirring. Now after frying your rice, you'll notice a great difference in the taste and texture of the rice. I would love for you guys to try this recipe out and let me know what you think. After about a minute or two of adding the spring onions, guys, our fried rice is ready to be served. So you can see that this recipe is so easy to make, and best of all, it tastes amazing. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did enjoy watching, don't forget to give me a like and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done that. Until my next video, bye guys.